welcome back. The holidays are finished and I'm really excited to going back to school, but I also feel like the holidays went by way too fast. So now I guess back to work, back to school, back to everything else that I've been doing. The exciting part is that it's January finally, and we're gonna start doing our case studies. So if you are new to this channel and you didn't hear me talking about it in the previous video, case study is pretty much when I'm able to start seeing clients. I am going to be taking about 7 clients pretty much in 2 weeks, and I'm going to be doing 10 free sessions for each client. So as you know, this is very beneficial as therapy can be expensive. I have school today. I have school today, I have school tomorrow, and I also have school all weekend. So it's going to be a crazy busy week, as well as all of January is very, 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 very busy. So not only do I have work today, I have school, as well as I have a therapy appointment. As you guys know, that during this program, we are supposed to be doing therapy for ourselves, as well as seeing clients and giving them therapy. So it's very, very busy, especially this last year of school. And yeah, I'm just excited to get started with the clients. I have previous experience working with clients, but not to this extent. So I am, excited to see where everything takes me. And yeah, I'm pretty sure everybody's gonna be so tired today at school because it's always like that. The first day back is just very tiring and long. Today's not that bad though. It's only about 2.5 hours, this class. Tomorrow the same thing. Just Saturday and Sunday, I think it's going to be the worst because it's a full 9 to 5, as well as Sunday 9 to 5, plus, you're working throughout the week. So it's just a lot. Right now, I'm finishing up a couple of assignments because there is 2 assignments that are due this weekend. One of the assignments is pretty much you get 3 different cases, like case studies. So 3 different scenarios of clients going through like anxiety, depression, or any other type of disorder, or eating disorders. And you just pretty much figure out which framework you should be focusing on with the client, so we can better understand their case, as well as to figure out what kind of treatment plan we should be doing. Here's a little clip on me doing the assignment around my dogs all over me in my onesie, trying to figure things out.
Hey guys, so this is what I'm doing right now. I'm doing homework. As you can tell, it's very messy. I'm just trying to get it done, pretty much. When I have my dog here, homework, my other dog here, the other one was here, but then I don't know where he went. We have to look at a case study. For example, this case study is about a social worker in her late 20s. She struggled with bulimia. And then it kind of tells her story, and then pretty much these are the questions. So, the framework that you will be using, the strengths and the challenges that you will be having with the framework that you use. So we have 3 different case studies. Each of them has to be about 2 pages long. So you're probably looking at about 6 pages. For the first one that I was doing, I already did 4 pages. So if 4 pages each case study, it's gonna probably be like 12 pages. Usually they just put 2 pages, but obviously you have to put in a lot of information. So anyways, so these are, like I said, these are some of the questions. So after you pick the framework that you'll use, you have to talk about the strengths, the challenges, and as a therapist, what questions would you ask the client, and what information would most likely you would notice, and then what information might you be most likely to overlook or miss. So yep, that's what I'm doing. Pretty much I'm so used to being in the holiday mode, so I'm just trying to get all these things ready because I do have school 2 days this week as well as the full weekend, and this is during the weekend. So I want to make sure I get everything completed. I have school Saturday and Sunday, 9 to 5. So yeah, I work during the week as well as I have classes during the week as well. So it makes it very difficult to finish this. So obviously I'm not going to hand it in like this. I am going to type it out. So these are just like my draft copies. So once, that's why it's like so messy. So once this is all completed, I'm going to type it out and hand it in.
So the second assignment that we have to do is pretty much on, I'm trying to figure out what it is. Oh yes, so the second assignment that we have to do is on intakes. So I am familiar on intakes. Usually, you know, it's pretty much the form that the client ends up filling out when you're first seeing the client for the very first time. And it's gonna have like a whole bunch of different questions. So then you can better understand their situation, better understand why they're there, better understand like their family dynamics and things like that. And so you would have 3 clients to fill out the intakes, and then you're pretty much writing a couple of essays in regards to each intake on how it went. You know, how did everything go during the time that you're doing the intake? What did you feel that you did right? What did you feel that you did wrong? What you learned from it, things like that. So it's pretty much just exploring the intake that you did with the client and writing about it. So that's pretty much what I'm working on right now. Our Christmas was great. It was very, very busy, and I think that's why it went by really quick. I did do a video before this one, a previous video, in regards to being alone in the holidays, as to a lot of people are alone in the holidays, and you know, it can be definitely very hard. Hopefully you guys had a great holiday and you enjoyed it with family or friends, and hopefully you didn't get sick, because a lot of people have been getting sick lately. I've noticed that. So hopefully whatever's going around will like leave, because I really don't want to be sick. So yeah, anyways, I'm almost there, so I'm gonna just keep driving and I'll show you some clips throughout the day, but I'll also film some clips tomorrow. Oh my god, so happy right now. So I actually just got parking right in front. Like, I'm so happy. This usually like never happens, honestly. Like, I think I'm gonna have a really, really good day. Hey guys, so this is one of the therapy rooms that we can use to see clients. Hey guys, so we're just taking a break. So far we've been just talking about adolescence, what happens between ages 13 to 26, and you know, how everything develops, our brain develops, as well as that all the changes and confusions that happen within that age range. So here is another therapy room. This is what it looks like. There's my apple and my book. This one's a little bit bigger than the other one that I showed you guys. Extra chair. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Hey guys, so I just finished class and I'm just driving, and what can be better than driving in the dark? Pretty much a snowstorm, because that's what's happening right now. There's a lot of snow in the road and it's supposed to snow quite a bit, and I'm just hoping that I make it home before it starts snowing a lot harder than it is right now, so I can get home nice and safe. Anyways, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the small clips that I showed you throughout the video. So the two different rooms that I showed you, those two rooms I can actually use if I would like for my sessions with the clients. There is other rooms available as well. I mean, I don't mind those two rooms. They're a pretty good size. I don't really need like such a big room, as it's gonna be just you and the client. So hopefully you enjoyed today's vlog, but I will be back tomorrow to film a little bit more. So there's gonna be a lot more content, and yeah, hopefully you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so I'm just so it's the next day and I'm just getting ready. As you can tell, I'm just doing somewhat of my makeup. It's very light today, but today is actually my birthday, so I'm really excited about that. Well, I'm not excited about going to school for my birthday, but it's just a couple of hours, and after school I'm going out with my family. We're gonna go for dinner, have a nice dinner at the seafood restaurant. It's like those really cool restaurants where you get to wear a bib and wear like plastic gloves and just eat with your hands a whole bunch of different seafoods in a bag. I don't know if you've ever been to restaurants like this, but if you have, let me know in the comments below, because I want to know if it really tastes good, because I mean, I've seen the pictures and it looks really good, so I'm excited to try it. And yeah, so I'm just going to finish getting ready, and then I'm gonna make my way to shake it like that. Hey guys, so I'm pretty much driving to school right now. So yesterday we had such a crazy snowstorm. I didn't get the worst of it yesterday on my drive home from school, but I did catch a lot of it. And this morning there's like a lot of snow on the ground, and I was worried today because I heard that there was like 50 accidents. So it's crazy. I guess we're not used to getting that much snow this winter. Usually it seems like it starts to happen now, like the snow starts to come later the next year. We don't seem to get like snow in November anymore unless you're really up north. Hoping it's going to be an interesting class today. Today is also another short class like yesterday. It's about 2.5 hours, and film some clips throughout the day, and hopefully you guys are having a great day, and I will see you then. So friggin' cold. It's like so cold outside. Hey guys, oh my god, it's so cold outside. My nose is so red. As you can tell, I'm driving in the daytime. And usually when I get off school is like so dark, especially in the winter. So what ended up happening is I ended up getting there like 5 minutes late, and all I saw there was the teacher talking to everybody in regards to like family systems and things like that. And then all of a sudden one of I gotta put my gloves on, it's so cold out. Anyways, all of a sudden she was, you know, letting one of the students talk in regards to like their family system and things like that. And then she stopped them, and she apologized for stopping them and interrupting the girl. because what ended up happening was that she says that she wasn't feeling well and she's going to be sick. That's what she pretty much said. And it was crazy because, you know, any time anyone's gonna be sick, they're just like, okay, and they take off and they're gonna go throw up or whatever they need to do. But she's so sweet that she, you know, apologized to interrupting. She apologized when she interrupted our classmate, and she pretty much even gave us an exercise to do while she's pretty much being sick. So it was like the weirdest thing, and we're just like, okay, like, you know, if she's sick, like, go, like, you know. But I guess she just felt bad for leaving us with pretty much doing nothing, just waiting for her. So so she pretty much got us into groups before she left to be sick. So that's pretty much what happened. And then they ended up I'm just making a turn. Anyways, and then they ended up coming in after about, I think it was like about 30 minutes, and they just pretty much said that it seems like she got the flu, because she was in the bathroom really sick, throwing up. So
now I'm going back home.
Hey guys, so I just got home, so I ended up getting this beautiful bouquet of roses for my sister for my birthday, and the guy came to the door, so I'm kind of glad that I came home early so I didn't end up missing the delivery guy. So I put it in this nice vase so I can leave it here on the dining table. It's so pretty and they smell wonderful. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna head out to the restaurant shortly. Hey guys, so I'm here at the place at the restaurant, and just waiting for them to get here. And yeah, it looks like a nice place, so hopefully the food is good. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please like this video as well as subscribe below so you don't miss any videos that come up. And if you have any requests whatsoever that you want me to do a video on something or a specific topic, please leave the comments below and let me know. So I will talk to you guys in the next video.